Hey everyone, and welcome to Penny. We're setting up for a landing at the Stirling airport. This is a runway that I use fairly frequently with the 310, but it is what I would consider a one-way runway. I always land runway 09. The displaced threshold is 1,000 feet on 27, and it's only 200 feet on 09. The runway is also uphill for the 09 landing, and it doesn't have any obstacles prior to the threshold. So I get to land right at the start of the runway, and I use some of the uphill slope in the runway to assist in the braking action. I don't go in there full of passengers and at max gross weight, and obviously that helps with the performance of the airplane as well. Well, we'll let you enjoy the rest of the video in a raw format as we complete the landing here at Stirling. Stay safe everyone, and happy tailwinds.